My name is Ben Owens. I'm the head firearms instructor here at Blackwing Shooting Center. My entire job here is education. We do everything from pistol introductory classes to high-level defensive pistol classes. We do practical rifle classes, shotgun classes, and one of the new classes that we're bringing out, and that's why this gun's in front of me, is we're bringing out a new program called the Safe Start program. The Safe Start, the first class that we're bringing out is the Youth Precision Rifle class. It's a 3-hour class for both parents and kids to take together. So we're doing 8 to 13-year-olds for this class. It was really designed to kind of get parents and kids shooting together to kind of bridge that gap where we see a lot of parents being interested in it but not knowing how to go about helping their kids the right way. Like most of our classes, we start out in the classroom. We're going to give you some baseline knowledge, safe firearm handling skills. We think safety is one of the biggest things that we can teach both parents, kids, anybody. I don't think you can hear it enough. We're going to talk about how the guns work, how the ammunition works. And for this class, because we're using optics, we're actually going to teach you how the optics work as well. And then it's going to be all hands-on from there. We're going to go into the range and get the kids and the parents shooting together. Structured fire, that kind of stuff. Nothing super high intensity or anything like that, but we really want them to create some memories with us. We were really lucky that when we brought the program out, a lot of companies actually wanted to get involved with it. So we had a bunch of sponsors send us a bunch of gear, rifles, scopes. We even had ammunition sent in and the cleaning products sent in by the manufacturers. We even got targets and some other stuff given to us that we're gonna hook the kids up with for the first class. I started when I was 6. And it created a very lifelong hobby for me that I ended up turning into my job for the last 14 years. Even if you try it out and don't like it, it's one of those things that, hey, you tried it and now you know you got a little bit more knowledge than when you walked in here. Because I feel education is the best way to do anything. Safe Start Youth Rifle Precision class will be, the first one is November 16th. 2025 at 10 until 1 o'clock. And then we actually have a second one that day that's going to run from 2 p.m. until 5 p.m. that day.